Welcome to the Speaking in Public course tutorial. First, go to this URL or scan the QR code shown on the video and sign in with your Google account. Fill in the required information. Then, make your profile public so your teacher can access it by clicking on the icon shown on the screen. Click on Confirm to turn it into public, and then the icon will be turned into green. Now it is public. Go to the search bar and write Speaking in Public so that the course will be shown on the options. Click on the first option as you see on the video. Scroll down and click on this yellow icon. Here you can navigate through the content of the course. Click on the blue icon to get started. Here you will have videos to watch. You can watch the video or read the transcript or do both of that. Once you finish, click on Check Your Knowledge. You will be shown questions related to the videos you watched. Don't worry, you can try and you can have endless attempts for each question until you get them all right. So don't worry, do it and do it again until you get all questions right. Then you click submit. Once you get them all right, they will show you your score. Then you can click on watch the next lesson. When you finish all the questions and the content, you will see this message. To get the evidence of completion, go to your profile and click History. Then click Print History. Click on Save as PDF in the Destination option and then click Save. Save it on your desktop. Then you have to upload this PDF into Maharat so your teacher can access it. Go to maharat.sku.edu.om. Click on New Post as shown on the screen. Click on the attachment icon. Upload the file or image. Click on the PDF or choose the PDF you saved on your desktop and click Open. Then write Speaking in Public Evidence and click on Add Post. To access the post, go to your profile on Maharat and click on the PDF and it will be shown to you here. And now the teacher can see it. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing your success. Keep shining.